Welcome back to our English video session. Children, today we are going to see the Standard 4, Term 3, Unit 2, Supplementary, the Wooden Toy. Once there was a village circled by mountains and many big trees. It was the home of many wild animals, especially wild dogs. They used to hunt not only the animals in the forest but also the domestic animals in the village. This affected the farmer who lived near the edge of the forest with his son the most. Mukund was the son of the farmer. He was good at creating many things. Every day he went into the forest to collect dry wood. He used to make dolls using the dry wood. Mukund's art was very famous in the town. Children used to play with his dolls, mostly known as Marapachi Bommai. Long ago, the wild animals hunted Mukund's mother. That incident made Mukund hate wild animals. In memory of his mother, he carved a wooden statue of his mother and prayed every day. One night, he spoke to her his mother's words. Do your part in the eradicating the use of plastics through your art because plastic is a great risk to the environment. So he started selling wooden toys at a cheap rate. He learned art from his grandfather. In the beginning, he made dolls for the children using dry wood. Then he was making statues of any photo that was shown to him. His father owned nothing but a flock of sheep and a piece of land. Also, he worked hard to keep the farm running. He was rearing some animals like goat, cow, and hen. His father took all the cattle to pasture every day. When he returned home, he would always count all the animals. One day, when his father returned, he saw that some animals were missing. His father was unable to sleep because of losses of the animals kept increasing. Mukund was worried about his father. He had to do something. He had an idea. He made a wooden drum because the massive noise from the drum would help his father to drive out the wild animals. Mukund's father was happy because the drum threatened the animals. But the animals came as soon as someone stopped drumming. His father could not be awake all night. Soon the wild animals start attacking only at night. The restlessness and worry made the father ill. The next day, Mukund went into the forest to find a hollow log of cedar, but he could not find it. His friend told him to cut the raw wood, but he refused. Mukund felt that his mother was still living in each tree. At last, they found some wood and brought it home. Mukund went to bed a little early. His father was beating the drums to drive all the animals away. Suddenly, the sounds of the drum stopped. Mukund's father was tired and he slept. Nearly 25 animals got attacked that night. Then Mukund thought of designing some wooden tigers and some wooden people to place on the farm so the animals would be afraid as the people were still awake. From that day onwards, the farmer and his son had a good sleep. Most of the landowners ordered wooden animals from Mukund. They wanted to save their crops and farms. Soon Mukund started selling toys to all corners of the land. This led to a demand for wooden toys over plastic ones. He was happy that he was able to take part in saving the world through his art. Now let's move on to the glossary. Marapachi Bommai, the dolls made of wood with no perfect shape. Pasture, put animals to gaze in a land. Children, let's move on to the glossary. Marapachi Bommai, the dolls made of wood with no perfect shape. Pasture, put animals to gaze in a land. Massive, very big. Thank you, children.